I'll click activate. Oh, the code is real and works. The method worked for me. Hey, how are you? I hope you're doing well. In this video, we're going to talk about how to easily get free Google Play codes in just a few minutes. This method is 100% guaranteed and super easy, so make sure to watch the video all the way through. This method works on all devices, whether you're using an Android, iPhone, or even a computer. But before we dive into the details, be sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and give the video a thumbs up. First things first, you'll head over to this website, which I'll leave a link to in the first comment. Just click the link and follow me. As you can see, this is a great and unique website. It's a new site that's not very well known, but it's an awesome place to get free Google Play codes. So don't miss out, guys. The first thing the site will ask for is your Google Play email. I'll enter my email here to show you how it works. Next, you'll choose the platform you're using. I'll select Android, like this. Now, we've reached my favorite part, the step where we choose how much Google Play credit we want. I'm going to pick the biggest amount, which is $100 because I only have one chance to claim it, so I'm going to make the most of it, guys. After that, I'll click Get Google Play Code, and the site will verify our details to make sure I have a valid account. At this point, the code will be sent to my email. And the best part is, the site asks for verification to prove that we're human and not bots, due to all the traffic on the site right now. So, I'll click Complete Verification now. The best part is that we move to this verification page, which is the final step. All you have to do is complete 2 offers to prove you're not a bot. These offers may vary depending on your country or device. They might involve downloading apps or entering your email. The important thing is to complete both offers. I'll do both here. I'll do the first offer now, so I'll open the Play Store and download the listed app. Let's wait for it to download. Once it's done, I'll open the app and leave it running for about 30 seconds, then close it. After that, I'll complete the second offer and get back to you straight away. Once both offers are completed, this confirmation page will pop up, telling me that both offers were completed successfully and that the Google Play code has been sent to my email. I'm so excited, guys. I'll log into my Gmail and see if the code has arrived. Ooh! The Google Play code has arrived like this in a message from the site. Now, I'll go to Google Play to the Redeem Code section, paste the code, and see if it's real. Let's see now. I'll click Activate. Oh! The code is real and works. The method worked for me. I hope everyone gives it a try and that it works for you too. That's the end of the video. See you next time. Take care.